Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So yeah, basically my goal is to get a sub 20 average of 12. Um, so yeah, last month I got an average of 12 of 23 seconds and 64. And so that's actually not too good. That's actually worse than what I usually average. But yeah, basically for the past month, I'll be honest, I haven't been practicing much because of some family reasons. Usually, I'm not this busy, but because of some family reasons, I've been pretty busy for the past month. And yeah, there has been other priorities in life as well. So right now, what I'm doing in my free time is making videos, learning a new language, and watching anime. And so yeah, to be honest, during the past month, most of my free time is probably spent on uh, family and then making videos, and the rest is the next most is probably watching anime and then learning new language and cubing. I haven't been able to spend as much time to do those things as I would like to, but yeah, hopefully I will have some more time, more free time next month. But without further ado, let's go ahead and start. Yeah, like I said, haven't been practicing much, so I'm not expecting too much. I'm keeping my expectations low. I'll just go ahead and say it. I probably won't get an sub 20 average of 12, but yeah, maybe I do get lucky and I do exceed my expectations. We'll see. So yeah, I haven't really warmed up, so let's just get straight into it. I'm actually busy tonight. I have somewhere to go, so I have to finish recording this video quick. So yeah, let's go ahead and start Cuban. Okay, start a new session. Okay, so I actually did better than I expected. But yeah, um, I'm cubing as a hobby, and I'm still having fun cubing. I don't want cubing to be something that is, stressful for me, but cubing will always have a place in my heart. I will keep on cubing. Hopefully, I will have more time to cube in the future, and yeah, hopefully get faster next month. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye.